Hello, my name is Lara Akinlude, and I'm the managing attorney at Larhdel Law. If you're watching this video because your UK spouse visa was refused, let me start by saying this. You are not alone, and a refusal does not automatically mean the end of your case. What matters is why it was refused and whether those issues can be fixed. Today, I'm going to explain the real reasons UK spouse visas are refused, and more importantly, what can be done next. Many couples assume a refusal means the Home Office didn't believe their relationship. In reality, most refusals are not about love, they're about evidence, structure, and technical requirements. Let's break this down. 1. Financial requirement problems. One of the most common refusal reasons is the financial requirement. This includes issues such as using the wrong income category, submitting payslips or bank statements that don't meet the required period, documents not matching exactly, relying on savings without meeting the minimum threshold. Even couples who genuinely earn enough are often refused because the evidence was presented incorrectly. 2. Insufficient proof of relationship. Another common issue is relationship evidence. The Home Office is not looking for romance, they are looking for consistency and credibility. Refusals often happen when evidence is too limited or poorly organized. The relationship timeline is unclear. There are gaps in cohabitation or communication that aren't explained. It's not about quantity, it's about how the story is told and supported. 3. Accommodation issues. Some applications are refused because the Home Office is not satisfied with where the couple will live, whether the accommodation is adequate, or whether it meets UK housing standards. This is often overlooked, but it matters more than people realize. 4. Technical or procedural errors. Many refusals are caused by things that feel frustratingly small: wrong document format, missing pages, incorrect translations, inconsistencies between forms and evidence. These are avoidable mistakes, but they still lead to refusals every day. 5. What you should do after a refusal. If your UK spouse visa has been refused, the worst thing you can do is rush into a reapplication without understanding the refusal. The correct next step depends on the exact refusal reasons, whether an appeal or reapplication is appropriate, and whether the underlying issue is fixable. A refusal letter is not just a rejection, it's a roadmap. A UK spouse visa refusal does not mean your relationship isn't genuine. It usually means the application was not presented in the way the Home Office expects. With the right legal strategy, many refusals can be corrected successfully. If you've received a refusal and want clarity on your next steps, speaking with an experienced immigration lawyer early can save time, stress, and cost. At Larhdel Law, we help couples understand refusals, fix weaknesses, and move forward with confidence. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, I'll explain UK spouse visa requirements clearly and simply without legal jargon.